Hey guys, I'm Ironhead. This is Dad's Garage HD. Thanks for watching my video. Today, I just wanted to kind of share something with you. This is my 2007 Kawasaki ZX-10R. It's 1,000 cc's, just a little bit under. A very powerful leader bike in the sport bike world. This thing will have some get up and go and should run approximately 186 miles an hour at top speed. It's a little older, but I've recently purchased this, kind of a little bit of a project bike, and I've just about got all the maintenance and everything done. But today, I just received the air filter because it's 2007. You just really can't go out and purchase this off the shelf. So I ordered it, and it just came in. So I was going to show you what you have to go through to change the air filter on a Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10. So hang around. It is getting a little crowded in here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motorcycles, and one of the motorcycles is on a motorcycle lift. So it is getting a little bit crowded, but I still think I have room for at least one more. So what we have to do to get to the air filter on these bikes is you've got to take the tank, and it's on a pivot, and you can rotate the tank up, prop it up, and get to the air box. It's right below the gas tank. In order to prop the tank up, the seat has to come off. In order for the seat to come off, you've got to pull these two panels. It's kind of like an avalanche, but it's not too hard. It's just a lot of steps. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed, and we'll get the new air filter installed on the ZX-10. Fold that out of the way, and then we lift. And it only comes up to a certain place. So here's what I like to do. It gives me a little bit more room to work by propping the tank up. Just a little bit of a ratchet strap here. Just enough so I can get my tools in here. This just saves a little time. 8 screws in the top of the airbox. 2 to get the tank off. And it never fills when I'm working on these sport bikes. And I always seem to drop a screw down into the fairing, down into the bike somewhere, and it eats it. You never can find it again. It's gone forever. Very nasty. I don't think that this thing's been changed in a while. I just purchased this thing. It's got 18,000 miles on it. I'm fairly certain this hasn't been changed in a very long time, if ever. So anyway, I just took this apart the day before yesterday, replaced all the spark plugs. So I wiped everything down, but I was very disappointed to see this. So I'm going to get the new one. We'll slide it back in. Huge difference. Which one would you like in your bike? Yeah, me too. And that's all there is to it, man. Not a whole lot to it. It's a very easy maintenance item. There's no reason to let your bike go like that. She's got a good home now. So we're going to try to take care of her until we find some lucky soul that wants to maybe purchase the bike, have a little fun. Try not to get attached, but it's really hard. I'm a motorcycle freak. Anything with two wheels, as you can probably see from looking around my garage, I get hooked. So I'm going to put all these in and start them, and then I'm going to throw them down, and then we'll get it all back together and see what we got. Okay, now the baby can breathe. The baby can breathe. So, slide this back in here. Have no idea what this does, but we'll put it exactly back like it was. I think it insulates something from rubbing against the tank or something. Okay, it's back together. To started, take my 5mm. Yeah, the one thing is a challenge, or was a challenge when I first started working on all these bikes, is I'd had a lot of SAE tools from working on Harleys. And now with all these metric bikes, we have to have a lot of metric stuff. So had to make some purchases here and there, collect them over the years, and now I've got just as much metric, just as many metric tools as I have SAE, almost. And that's all there is to that. Just thought I would share it with you guys. Something really simple. Sport bikes have their own personalities, their own different ways. Every sport bike that I have is pretty much the same. Air breather below the gas tank. Gas tank is on a pivot. Even the fuel hose is pivoted so you can lift the tank without hurting anything. As compared to the Harley, everything's accessible on the outside, much easier to work on. But these things are fun too. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, man. If you want to see more, you can always subscribe to the channel and get notified when new content is posted. And we have a lot of fun on here, and there's no telling what we'll do next. I know it's pretty simple as compared to some of the other channels, but I enjoy this. I enjoy talking to you guys. I enjoy working on these things and riding them. So, and I probably will until I am 6 feet under. But in the meantime, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching Dad's Garage HD. Stay safe.